Yo, what's up, tech fam? Welcome to AI and Tech Content, the place where the future becomes the present. If you've ever asked, can AI plan my day? Imagine waking up in the morning and having your entire schedule laid out for you by a digital assistant. From your first meeting to your last task of the day, everything is meticulously organized. AI can not only plan your day but also adapt to changes in real time, ensuring you never miss an important event or deadline. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your preferences and priorities better than anyone else. Is ChatGPT smarter than me? While it might not have human emotions or creativity, ChatGPT can process and analyze information at lightning speed. It can help you draft emails, write reports, and even brainstorm ideas. Think of it as a tool that enhances your capabilities, allowing you to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. The real power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to learn and improve over time, making it an invaluable resource for both personal and professional use. What's the next tech that'll blow our minds? The future holds endless possibilities, from augmented reality glasses that overlay digital information onto the real world, to brain-computer interfaces that allow us to control devices with our thoughts. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more efficient and enjoyable. The next big breakthrough could be just around the corner, and it's bound to be something that will revolutionize the way we live and work. You're 100% in the right place. Here, we explore the latest advancements in technology and how they can make your life easier and more productive. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of tech and discover the innovations that are shaping our world. On this channel, we don't just talk about AI. We dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its endless possibilities and uncovering its hidden potentials. From the latest advancements in machine learning to the most innovative AI applications, we cover it all. Our mission is to bring you the most comprehensive and insightful content on AI, making it accessible and engaging for everyone. We live it, we test it, we immerse ourselves in the technology, experiencing firsthand the impact of AI on our daily lives. Whether it's through virtual reality, wearable tech, or robotics, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Our hands-on approach allows us to provide you with in-depth reviews, tutorials, and demonstrations, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field. We push it to the limits, sometimes even beyond. Our dedication to exploring the frontiers of AI means we often find ourselves in uncharted territory, facing challenges and breakthroughs that redefine our understanding of technology. Join us on this exciting journey as we navigate the complexities of AI, sharing our discoveries and insights with you every step of the way. Together, we'll unlock the true potential of artificial intelligence and shape the future of innovation. From smart tools that can run your life, to robots that might just steal your job or your heart, we cover it all. New videos every week, full of insane experiments, tutorials, and so much more. We dive deep into the latest tech trends, bringing you the most exciting and innovative content out there. Whether it's the newest smartphone release, groundbreaking AI developments, or futuristic gadgets that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, we've got it all covered. Our channel is your one-stop destination for everything tech-related. We provide in-depth app reviews, giving you the lowdown on the best and worst apps available. Our tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your devices, whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro. And let's not forget the fun chaos. We love to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible with technology. So if you're into AI, tech, and the future of everything, this is the place for you. Join us on this incredible journey as we explore the cutting-edge advancements that are shaping our world. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, from virtual reality to quantum computing, we cover it all. Stay tuned, stay curious, and get ready to be amazed by the wonders of technology. Subscribe now and never miss an update. Hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and let's build the future together. AI and tech content, because the future doesn't wait. Also, if a robot takes over my channel, you know what happened.